statutory company and registered company. Friends, statutory company means any company which is registered under a statute. Statute means law. Law means an act which is passed by the parliament of a particular country. That means statute. A company registered under any specific law or company law is a statutory company. Registered company is the company which is registered under the Companies Act specifically. That is registered company. Okay? Then on the basis of number of members, public company and private company, these are the two types. What is public company? Public company means any company which is not a private company. Simple definition. Then question arises, what is private company? Number one, the company which do not allow transfer of shares to the members. Number two, private company is the company which has limitation of membership, maximum 200, minimum 2. And number three, private company is that company which do not issue prospectus, which is not allowed to issue prospectus. Apollo, what is public company? Public company is any company which do not restrict transferability of shares. Second, public company is any company which do not limit number of members, unlimited, minimum 7. Third, public company is any company which issues prospectus for the issue of shares. This is what the difference between public company and private company under section 2. Exactly, section 248. These differences have been provided. Okay? Then ownership, non-government company, government company and one-man company. Non-government company means any company the paid up equity share capital of which is not held by the government with any extent. So it may be private company, any other type of company that comes under non-government category. Government company means any company in which not less than 51% of paid up equity share capital is held by either central government, state government, any provincial government or combination of some parts of this. 51% paid up equity share capital is held by any form of government company. Old Companies Act section 617. Section 617 company was government company. One-man company is a new concept introduced by the 2013 Amendment Act. One-man company means only one member, one shareholder can register a company. He can register a company with the register of companies in India. On the basis of control, holding company and subsidiary, these are the two things I have written. But this list is too long. Focus. Holding company means any company which holds not less than 51% of paid up equity share capital of another company. Then first company is holding and another company is subsidiary company. जिसके शेयर्स हेल्ड किए गए हैं सब्सिडरी, जिसने हेल्ड किए परचेस किए 51% वो होल्डिंग कंपनी. There is an example. For example, Tata Sons. Tata Sons is a trust under which 29 public companies are registered in India. Shapurji Palanji Group is one of the major shareholders. And Tata is having 29 public companies, including Tata Motors, Tata Steel, Tata Consultancy Services, Tata Power, Tata Indicom, Tata Sky, many more. 29 is the list. अब इसमें क्या है? ध्यान दो, इधर थोड़ा ध्यान दो. Very important concept I am teaching. A Limited is holding 51% of B. A ने 51% होल्ड किया है B का. तो इसमें से होल्डिंग कौन है और सब्सिडरी कौन है? होल्डिंग इज ए, सब्सिडरी इज करेक्ट. अब बी ने होल्ड किया है 51% ऑफ सी, तो होल्डिंग कौन है? सब्सिडरी कौन है? सी ने होल्ड किया 51% डी का, तो होल्डिंग कौन है? सब्सिडरी. ये बी एंड सी जो है इनका कैरेक्टर क्या है बताओ? ये होल्डिंग है क्या सब्सिडरी है? दोनों भी है, बराबर ना? तो बी इज इंटरमीडिएट होल्डिंग कंपनी एज वेल एज इंटरमीडिएट सब्सिडरी कंपनी. सेम एज सी. वन मोर थिंग आई मस्ट टेल यू. डी इज द सब्सिडरी ऑफ, wrong answer, wrong answer, wrong, both is also wrong. D is the subsidiary of C, B as well as A. Are you understanding? D का होल्डिंग कौन है? C. यदि C का भी कोई होल्डिंग है तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो D का होल्डिंग बन जाता है. B का कोई होल्डिंग है ऑटोमेटिक उसके नीचे जितना लिस्ट है तो सबका होल्डिंग बनता है टॉप में जो कंपनी है. अब आप बोलो ऐसे क्यों? वाई? ऐसे इसलिए कि अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड नंबर 29 ऑन कंसोलिडेशन ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स requires the entire picture of financial position in one balance sheet. उस 29 कंपनीज का जो टॉप का होल्डिंग कंपनी है उसका एक बैलेंस शीट बनेगा. उसमें सारे 29 कंपनी के एसेट्स एंड लायबिलिटीज होंगे. उसको बोलते हैं कंसोलिडेशन, कंसोलिडेशन ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स. व्हेन यू विल बी टॉप प्रोफेशनल ऑफ कॉमर्स और अकाउंटेंसी यू विल हैव टू डू दिस फॉर लार्ज ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज. अगर आप में से कोई टाटा का सीएफओ बनता है, रिलायंस का सीएफओ बनता है, तो उसको पूरे 29, 30, 35 जो भी है सबका कंसोलिडेशन करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज द टेस्ट ऑफ योर नॉलेज एंड आई होप यू विल डू दैट. मेनी ग्रुप्स आर देयर इन इंडिया लाइक रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेड. उसमें रिलायंस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, रिलायंस कैपिटल, इज दैट क्लियर? रिलायंस पावर, रिलायंस कम्युनिकेशन. So this intermediate holding and subsidiary sequence is there even in Reliance Group. So consolidation is a very top big part. As a commerce professional, whenever you will be managers, chartered accountants, cost accountants, you will have to be responsible for consolidation when you will be in a position. So I hope it is understood. Liability of members, company limited with liability. Is that clear? Specific amount is mentioned with the agreement of membership. If no shares are issued, then there will be a system in which it will be mentioned liability. If company is limited by shares, the liability of a member will be limited to the shares held by him out of total capital. An unlimited company is the company for which liability will not be limited for the members and directors. That is a limited company. Correct concept अभी है नहीं इधर. Other types you will see foreign company. Foreign company is the company which is registered in a foreign country, which is not a domestic company. Domestic company और एक type लिख सकते हो अभी लिखा है आपने. Domestic company is what? The company which is registered in India, having its place of business in, having corporate office in India. FERA company, Foreign Exchange Regulation Act 1973. Act was passed by the Parliament of India. Now it is no more. This act is withdrawn by the Parliament. तो ये कंपनी अभी रजिस्टर नहीं होता. It is historical name. But FEMA is registered now. Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999. The Indian Parliament has passed. So any company which is dealing in converting or foreign exchange, it comes under FEMA. It requires licensing and registration. That is Foreign Exchange Management Act Company 1999. Deemed public company, DPC is what? Any private company which fails to follow the conditions of section 2 for public company. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई प्राइवेट कंपनी प्राइवेट है लेकिन ट्रांसफर अलाउ कर दिया, ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल बिकम पब्लिक कंपनी। प्राइवेट कंपनी है 200 मेंबर होने चाहिए, 205 कर दिए, ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल बिकम पब्लिक कंपनी। प्राइवेट कंपनी है, प्रॉस्पेक्टस अलाउड नहीं है इशू करना, इशू कर दिया पब्लिक को, इट बिकम्स पब्लिक कंपनी बाय डिफॉल्ट, दैट इज डीम्ड, डीम्ड मीन्स assumed to be a public company. Shall I hope it is understood? If any question there, you can ask me any question, any doubt.